This video demonstrates Keynote Manager's link function. Keynote Manager allows you to link keynotes to external data such as files or web pages. I've got Keynote Manager 12 open here with an example Keynote file. Now when I select a keynote, I get my buttons available over here. Two of them are Add Link and Manage Links over here. I'm going to start by adding a link here. You can see when I do that command, I get a dialog box here for Add Link. It shows me what keynote I'm adding a link to, and it gives me two fields, one for name and one for link. The name is just what it says. It's a name that you give it. This can be anything that you want. It's just something for you to denote to yourself what it is. And the link is the actual path to the file. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start, say maybe we want to link to a specification with this. So let's call this specification so we know what it is. And then link, I'm going to browse to my file. I've just downloaded a sample file. You can see it puts in my path there. I can also manually type my path if I really want to. And I'm going to hit OK. You can see as soon as I do that, I get a links palette here. My links palette is kind of a gray color, and you can see it's an expandable palette. It tells me that I've got links, and it tells me how many total links I have. I've also got an Add and Manage Links button over on this left-hand side, or right-hand side, I'm sorry. You can also see for each link that I have here, I've got several things. One, I've got my text that I gave it. I've got the actual link with the path. I've got an edit button and a delete button. Okay, so I can hit this edit hyperlink to just get back to here, so I can change my name, I can change my path if I want to or need to. Delete also obviously deletes it, since that's a permanent deletion. It gives you a courtesy notification. I'm going to say no for now. And then lastly, that link, as I showed, has a hyperlink on it. So I can go ahead and click that, and you can see that it opens that file in whatever your default editor is. In this case, it was a Word specification, so it opened up Microsoft Word and opened that file for me. If it's a picture you've got, it'll open in Windows Picture Viewer or whatever you have to open that specific image file format, or whatever. I can also add a link to a web page. So let me say manufacturer site, and I've just copied one from USG just for fun. Okay, so you can see that added my manufacturer site. I can click on that, and again it opens it in my default browser is Internet Explorer, but opens it in whatever. So you can link that straight to the manufacturer's web product page. Another example of what you can do is a mail to link. So maybe I have a particular product rep I'm working on this project with, and I want to be able to have quick access to email him. So I can say mail to someone at company.com, obviously put in their email address, and hit OK. So now I've got this mail to link for a product rep, and all I got to do is hit that, and Outlook will start a new email for me directed to that person. Let my subject be whatever it is. Let me type in my email and then send it. So you can see there's a lot of things that you can do. You can link to almost any external data source. This is fully collapsible, so it doesn't take up a lot of space if you don't need it to, but then you can expand it out and just click any of those links that you want to. Lastly, there is the Manage Links function available here. Once you do that, you can see it gives you a dialog box that just gives you a list of these. I can add, edit, or delete from here as well. And then, so lastly, this is all available also on the external data. I've got Add Link and Manage Links there, here, and here. And that is Keynote Manager's link function.